Now we're going to do the same thing on the short end as we did on the long end. Start a 2D sketch. I want to put it on this upper surface. I'll zoom in here. And again, project geometry of this rib. Going to offset it up 0.05. I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to turn it into a construction line. Okay, now the arc command. I'm going to start at the tangency there on the left, the tangency on the right, and the midpoint is going to be the midpoint of that line. I'm going to start a new line, go from the left-hand edge to the right, and I want to finish that. Then I'm going to, of course, extrude. It's going to be a cut. Distance is 2. That surface right there. And I say OK. Similar to before, but this time I'm going to change the visibility of this work plane, turn it on, and we're going to mirror. Where's mirror? Here he is. That feature about this mirror plane. We're going to say OK, and we come over here, and we've got it on both ends. So now it's your turn to do the very same thing to your part.